Hey everyone, it's Teresa with Yellow Daisy. Welcome back. Tonight I thought I would do my very first Power Hour Clean with Me. I had originally planned on doing this on Saturday morning, however, my family surprised me with a weekend getaway for my birthday. So the house is still a mess and I thought I would bring you along with me. I have written out the items that I want to get done and I'll show that to you now. Okay guys, here's our list. Let's see what all we can get done. The time is 7:32, so we have until 8:32. We're going to start in the kitchen. And this is where my family surprised me. They took me to the Biltmore in Asheville, North Carolina. It is unbelievable. If you've never been, you definitely have to go. Okay, so here I see what my next project in the kitchen is going to be, and that's going to be to declutter and organize these to-go like Tupperware type containers. I'm trying to get all the lids to fit in so that the drawer will close. This is one of those little hot spot areas. It's our command central area. The mail collects there. We charge our phones, iPads, that type of thing there. And I'm using my all-purpose kitchen cleaner that I make. It's Dawn dish soap, vinegar, and a little bit of water. I really do like the way that it cleans up on the counters and my appliances. Okay guys, here's my dining room. This is where that put random things away on my list came from. Since Christmas, I've been collecting those last minute little items that you find throughout the house. I had like some linens, napkins that I needed to wash. And you see there's a Christmas gift bag out. So it's just little random things that I've been collecting that I'm gonna now put away. Okay guys, and here's my dust mop. I like to do this once a week, get under the furniture and along the baseboards, and it really does not take any time at all to do this. And here it is guys, that's how old I turned on my birthday. The laundry clip, what would a power hour be without it? Okay, so I work outside of the home full time. So usually in the mornings, what I like to do is when I get up, I'll do a load of laundry, put it in the wash, and then put it in the dryer or hang to dry if I have items that need to be hung to dry. That way when I get home, all I need to do is take it out of the dryer and put it away. So that's what I did this morning is I washed and dried my sheets before I left for work. Okay, here it is, 8:32. I'm all done. There's a couple things on my list that I didn't get done, but you know, it's okay. It'll happen. And it really does feel good to take 30 minutes, 15 minutes, an hour in the evening to get your house put back together. So when you get up in the morning, it just starts your day and your week off great. I'll go on and show you the house now all straightened up. Okay guys, that's all I have for tonight. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching me clean, and I hope that I have motivated you to go and clean a room or two of yours. Until next time, please give me a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.